Hello and welcome to another DRC tutorial. On today's edition we are going to discuss Bancor Network. DRC and Bancor recently partnered up and provided DRC with a liquidity pool on Bancor. You can scroll down here to how to buy DRC and find here buy DRC on Bancor. You can also go to resources at the top, go to marketplace and data and find DRC Ethereum on Bancor. Let's click this to allow us to trade DRC and Ethereum on Bancor. It brings us to this page. As you can see, this is much like Uniswap, another AMM. All you must do is type in however much Ethereum you want to pay for with DRC and swap, just like you would on Uniswap. However, the next step for Bancor comes in when you decide to provide liquidity. Much like Uniswap, when you provide liquidity, there are inherent dangers of impermanent loss. However, what Bancor does do is it offers impermanent loss protection. You can see here that all of these pairings are with token A and BNT. BNT is the Bancor Network token, the Bancor native token. By pairing all of the pairings on this market with BNT, it allows Bancor to provide impermanent loss protection. So, in order to add liquidity to the DRC BNT pool, all you have to do is click here, Actions plus Add Single-Sided Liquidity. So you can add either DRC or Bancor Network token. If you are a DRC holder, you must use DRC. However, here it says 0 DRC space is available. This means that in order for the space in the pool to open up, there has to be BNT on the other side. So after an amount of BNT has been deposited, space will open up for DRC. You can click here a little notification to send you an email when space opens up. Hopefully you can put your DRC to good use and enter it here into the Bancor single-sided liquidity. Be sure to check up on how to protect from impermanent loss, because Bancor is unique in this respect and Bancor allows you to deposit your DRC without fear of impermanent loss. Please read up on it and take advantage. Thank you. Luckily enough, as I've been recording, the space has opened up for DRC. So I'm going to go ahead and stake 30,000 DRC for the purpose of this video. So I'm going to first approve the token, as you must do on all protocols. Then I'm going to confirm that I'm going to stake and protect. The protect here is the impermanent loss protection on offer. Okay, and you can see here that my stake and protect of 30,000 DRC has processed. If you go to portfolio, here you can see a dashboard of all of your pools. Here you can see DRC and the DRC BNT pool. My stake is 30,000, the protected is 30,000, the claimable is currently 30,000. Now here, this is where you want to look for your impermanent loss protection. Impermanent loss protection starts immediately when you deposit, but you must be in the pool for 30 days before the protection can be utilized. So your 100 days of impermanent loss protection vests over 100 days. So for 100% permanent loss protection, you must have staked for 100 days minimum. Here you can keep track of all of your stakes. I hope that this incentivizes you a bit more to provide liquidity for DRC, as it really is a no-loss solution. Thank you to Bancor, and thank you guys.